If you're watching this, it's no coincidence. The universe is sending you a powerful message that wealth and abundance are within your reach. The law of assumption teaches us that what we believe to be true about ourselves and the world directly impacts what we manifest. If you found this video, you're about to unlock the secrets to becoming filthy rich, both financially and spiritually. The first step toward manifesting wealth is understanding the law of assumption. This law states that what you assume to be true about yourself, your life, and the world around you will eventually become your reality. If you assume that abundance, success, and wealth are already yours, the universe will begin to align itself to make this your reality. For example, if you assume that wealth flows effortlessly into your life, your mind begins to focus on opportunities that align with this belief. You begin noticing ways to earn money, invest wisely, and attract people who support your financial growth. The more you assume abundance, the more you begin to see it manifest in all areas of your life. It's essential to understand that the law of assumption is not just about wishful thinking. It requires a deep belief in your ability to receive what you desire. This means shifting your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, focus on what you do have and imagine what you want as already being a part of your life. With time, as your assumptions become stronger, they will shape your actions. You feel more confident about taking risks, making financial decisions, and following opportunities that lead to greater wealth. One of the most powerful practices in the law of assumption is living in the state of having. This means that you should feel and act as though you are already wealthy, even before the physical manifestations appear. The energy you put out into the world must align with the abundance you seek. Start by imagining yourself as a wealthy person. Picture yourself living in your dream home, driving the car you've always wanted, or enjoying financial freedom. How does it feel to live this way? By fully accepting the feeling of having it all, you send a clear message to the universe that you're ready to receive. This practice works because the universe responds to your energy, not just your words. When you assume that you're already rich, your energy will attract the opportunities, people, and resources that match your new wealth mindset. The universe operates based on the law of vibration, meaning that the more you vibrate at the frequency of wealth, the more it will flow into your life. When you live in the state of having, you begin to make decisions and take actions that reflect your new reality. You may find yourself making investments, seeking new business ventures, or being more open to receiving money and opportunities. By staying in this state, you align your inner world with your outer world. Affirmations are a key tool in the law of assumption, as they help to reinforce your beliefs and align your thoughts with your desires. By repeating powerful affirmations daily, you can shift your mindset from one of lack to one of abundance. Start by crafting affirmations that align with the wealth and success you want to attract. For example, you could say, "I am worthy of unlimited wealth," or "money flows effortlessly into my life." As you repeat these affirmations, feel the emotions that come with them. Imagine yourself already living the life of financial freedom, and let that feeling fill you up. The key is to say these affirmations with conviction, as if they are already true. When you align your words with your belief system, you begin to shift your internal state. Your subconscious mind begins to accept these affirmations as truth, and over time you will begin to see changes in your external circumstances. The more you say these affirmations with belief, the more your mind begins to look for ways to make them a reality. The power of words combined with your deep belief in their truth activates the law of assumption, leading to the manifestation of wealth. Visualization is another powerful technique that works hand in hand with the law of assumption. By visualizing yourself already in possession of wealth, you deepen the connection to your desired reality. This practice not only reaffirms your assumption, but also helps you embody the emotions associated with being wealthy. Begin by setting aside time each day to vividly imagine yourself living the life you desire. Picture yourself waking up in your dream home, seeing the amount of money in your bank account or receiving a large check. Engage all your senses. How does it feel? What do you see? What sounds are present and what scents are in the air? The more vivid and detailed your visualizations are, the more your mind will accept them as part of your reality. And this practice enhances your belief in your worthiness and ability to attract wealth, sending powerful signals to the universe. Visualization is like a rehearsal for success. It conditions your mind to expect the good things that are on their way. As you continue to visualize, you'll begin to notice synchronicities, opportunities, and a greater sense of alignment with your financial goals. The universe will start to match your assumptions with physical experiences, allowing your dreams to manifest. While the law of assumption is powerful, it's essential to practice detachment from the outcome. This doesn't mean giving up on your dreams or not caring about your goals. Instead, it means trusting that what is meant for you will come at the perfect time. When you release the need for constant validation or immediate results, you create space for the universe to work its magic. When you hold on to your desires too tightly, you can inadvertently block the flow of abundance. The key is to trust that your assumptions are working, and the right opportunities will come when you are ready to receive them. Let go of the need to control the timing or how things will unfold. By detaching from the outcome, you also reduce anxiety and stress, allowing you to live in a state of abundance and gratitude. This sense of calm and trust amplifies the energy of your assumptions and speeds up the manifestation process. It's important to note that detachment doesn't mean complacency. You still take inspired action when opportunities present themselves, but you do so with the confidence that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Wealth is not just a financial state, but a frequency. To manifest abundance, you must align with the frequency of wealth. This means living, thinking, and acting as though wealth is already yours. It's not just about having money, it's about embodying the mindset and energy that attracts it. To align with the frequency of wealth, you need to start with your beliefs. What do you believe about money? Do you see it as a limited resource, or do you view it as something abundant and ever-flowing? If you see money as scarce, your energy will repel wealth. If you see it as unlimited, your energy will magnetize it to you. Start by shifting your beliefs. Practice gratitude for the money you already have and recognize the abundance that surrounds you. Focus on the opportunities that are available, not the obstacles. The more you align with the frequency of wealth, the more opportunities will come your way. Once you've begun to practice the law of assumption, it's important to ensure that your actions are in alignment with the wealth you are attracting. Assumptions alone won't bring wealth into your life. You need to actively pursue opportunities that match the energy of abundance you're sending out. For example, if you assume that wealth is already yours, your actions should reflect that assumption. This might mean investing in opportunities, taking risks that align with your goals, or stepping into leadership positions that increase your visibility and potential for wealth. You may need to pursue new business ventures, apply for higher paying jobs, or develop new skills that will help you grow financially. When your actions are aligned with your assumptions, the universe can bring you the opportunities that match your energy. This is how synchronicity happens. When you put in the effort, the universe provides the means to turn your assumptions into reality. Your belief in your own potential must be reflected in the way you live your life. This alignment of thoughts and actions ensures that you are consistently moving in the direction of your wealth. The more consistent you are with taking steps that match your vision of abundance, the more naturally wealth will flow to you. A key aspect of the law of assumption is cultivating an abundance mindset. This means adopting the belief that there is always more than enough to go around. Wealth is not a limited resource, and neither is success. By shifting from a scarcity mindset, where you believe there is never enough money, time, or opportunities, to one of abundance, you open up your life to limitless possibilities. When you accept an abundance mindset, you stop comparing yourself to others. You no longer feel threatened by the success of others, but instead celebrate their victories as a sign that abundance is available for all. By seeing the world as full of opportunities, you begin to recognize wealth where others might see lack. Adopting this mindset allows you to attract wealth with ease. Instead of focusing on the fear of not having enough, you focus on the endless supply available to you. This shift in perspective can change everything from the way you think about money to the way you approach challenges. When you live with an abundance mindset, you begin to radiate that energy to those around you, attracting people, opportunities, and situations that align with your belief in limitless potential. The universe rewards you by providing more of what you believe is possible. Another essential aspect of manifesting wealth through the law of assumption is trusting in the timing of your life. It's easy to get frustrated when things don't happen immediately, but the universe operates on its own schedule. While it's important to have a sense of urgency and focus, it's equally important to have patience and trust that what's meant for you will arrive at the perfect moment. Often, we want to rush the process, but the universe has a way of working behind the scenes to prepare the perfect conditions for your success. Trusting the timing means allowing things to unfold naturally without trying to control every step. It's about knowing that what's meant for you is already on its way, and all you need to do is continue to stay aligned with your assumptions and actions. When you trust the timing, you release the anxiety that can come from impatience. You begin to understand that the universe knows when you are ready for greater wealth and will deliver it to you when the conditions are right. This patience allows you to remain calm, focused, and open to the opportunities that come your way. Having trust in the timing of your life also means knowing that the process of manifestation is happening in perfect alignment with your soul's journey. You are exactly where you need to be in your financial growth, and everything is unfolding in divine order. As you practice the law of assumption, recall that your thoughts create your reality. The assumptions you make about yourself and the world are the foundation of your success. By aligning your actions, accepting an abundance mindset, and trusting in the universe's timing, you are opening yourself to a wealth of opportunities. Stay focused on your assumptions, live as though you already have the wealth you desire, and trust that the universe will bring it to you in the right time. The process of manifestation is happening now, and your wealth is already on its way. If you found this video insightful and helpful on your journey to manifesting abundance, please like and subscribe to this channel for more content that will help you attract wealth, success, and fulfillment into your life. Keep believing, stay patient, and watch as your life transforms into one of abundance and prosperity.